Why does your scanner show the P0097 engine code? What does it mean? P0097 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air temperature, IAT Sensor 2 circuit low. This engine code indicates that the PCM or Engine Control Module ECM detects a signal that is lower than the expected normal range, often indicating an electrical short or other wiring problems in the circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed IAT Sensor 2. Circuit issues. Short to ground. High intake air temperatures. Contamination. Malfunctioning PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Ford, and Toyota vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.